brush when she goes back. There she goes. Oh, yeah.
Any way that they can get over there, they will.
That one's just going in circles.
There he goes. Now he's finding his way to Mama. No, maybe not. Guess he's going to need a little help to go in the right direction.
I'll figure it out.
Nope, going to give him a hand.